Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video you're going to learn how to make a Dino game in Scratch. Okay, so follow up until the end and we will make the Dino game step by step. First, what we need to do, we need to find out our sprite with our Dino sprite and our tree sprite with our background. I have already uploaded or I have already downloaded them in my PC. I just need to upload them in the Scratch. So first let's start from the Dino sprite first. I will upload the Dino sprite. Okay, the sprite is available. In here for the sprite, I would like to give one more costume where I can make him move, like we can do animation or we can do the code so they look like it's like he's running. So for that's why we will use two costumes. I'm gonna upload the second one. Okay, second upload, two of them available. I would like to upload the tree and the cloud and so on other. So I would like to click on upload. The cactus. So here the cactus I have uploaded. Cactus will have some costumes due to we will give him picking random. So for that we will add some more costume for our cactus. Okay, in here to save the time or to save the code, I have an idea to put the cloud also in the same sprite as our cactus. So when we do the code for the cactus, it will look like the cloud is also coming or moving. So we can do, or if we don't want to give the movement to the cloud, we can just upload the cloud simply in our Scratch only. Yeah, we will not give him any movement or any code. Okay, there you go. The three sprites are available. I would like to upload my background. I have designed already and then I downloaded. Here you go. I'm gonna upload that background. Okay, the background has been uploaded. The sprites are available. I just need to design them now the way I want. So I would like to bring the ground or the background to the bottom so the Dino can walk on it. And let me drag the Dino and bring it to this area. So this will be the place for the Dino where he can do the movement and so on other. I will select the normal one. Okay, for the cloud I would like to bring him up, so I will just select simply. Okay, I will drag this one to the top, maybe more. There you go. I can do copy paste. I can make one more copy of the cloud. I can make it look more good. Control V, Control C, and there you go. Okay, so these will be our cloud sprites. Okay, there you go. The sprites for the cloud is done, the designing. I would like to give the designing for our cactus. Okay, so for the cactus sprite, for now I will put it in here. Later through coding we can bring him to the corner so he can come from that side and our Dino can jump. Okay, so for that one, what we will do, first thing in here, first we will start the code for our cactus. Yeah, so when the cactus starts moving, it means that the Dino is walking actually, but the actual or the real code will be only for the cactus. So the cactus will be moving around. Okay, so for the cactus in here we do the code. We start from the event. When green flag is clicked, we tell him to go to X and Y. Okay, we just need to change the X. Yeah, the Y will be the same position. We just change the X to 400. As you know that the corner right side X is 240, so we make him 400, which will go more than that place. Okay, and then let me click on green flag. As you can see, he starts from this area. Now I would like to give him movement. For the movement I would like to use forever block due to we want him to move forever. Now the position is in this area. In here we will use if condition. For that condition we need to add variable. We need two variables. One variable will be for the score, where we will count the score. Each time the Dino saved himself, he will get score. Another variable, we will have a Dino live. Okay, Dino lives. For example, if we give him 2 lives, yeah, whenever we click on green flag, Dino will have 2 lives. So each time he touches the cactus, 1 life will be minus. So if he do 2 times, so 2 life will be minus, and if the life is equal to 0, so it means the game will stop and we will call the game over. Yeah, now what do we do in here? We give the condition. Okay, we go to control blocks, we drag if then, and the condition will be regarding the variable. Yeah, we use equal operator. We tell him if the Dino life is equal to 1, we give him movement. Yeah, so this movement will work, the cactus will move until the Dino life is equal to 1. When the Dino life is equal to 0, so the cactus will stop working. Yeah, so for that one, what do we do in here? Now in here we do the code to give him movement. So for the movement, what do we do in here? We're going to add gliding. Yeah, we will use gliding. Due to the position is x is 400, we make him minus 400, so he can come to the left side. Okay, the y will be the same. The movement I can control, make him faster, slower, and so on other. I will make him faster, so 0.8. okay, he will come in that speed. And then after that, what do we do? When he arrives to that place, we send him back to its own position. Yeah, we tell him to go back to 400. After go back to 400, what do we do? In here we will do the broadcast so that we can get the score. I will do the broadcast. I've already made score, and after that I will make him hide. Okay, I will make him hide so we cannot see him. And the second thing, what do we do? Now we give him switch costume, but switch costume should be pick random. Okay, so we give him to pick randomly costume from 1 to 2, due to we have 2 costumes. Okay, the costume is done. Now we make him wait second, and how many seconds? For the wait second also we give him pick random. So from how much? From 0 to 1.5, let's say. Okay, so this was the wait second. After wait second, what do we do? Now we make him show back so we can see him and he can come again. Okay, there you go. When I click on green flag, let's see what happens. Oh, there's one thing. For the Dino, I need to do the code Dino live. When green flag is clicked, what will happen? We tell the Dino go to X and Y, so Dino will be always in that place. After that, in here we set our variables. Yeah, we set our variable Dino live to 1, due to we give the condition for 1, and we set our score to 0. So whenever we click on green flag, the score should be 0. Let's try. Now as you can see, the cactus started working. Yeah, and started moving around. So for that one, as you can see, the movement is so fast, and the second costume is a little bit down than the first one. So I will fix the position of both costumes. I just need to drag this one a little bit up. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this will be perfect. Okay, this one is clear, but the movement is too fast, so I will increase the wait second. I will make him 1.5 so he can come a bit slowly. Yeah, this one looks better. There you go. So the movement for the tree or the cactus is done. Let's give the movement to our Dino. Yeah, so for the Dino, actually we don't have much thing. We just give him jump. Yeah, we make him jump up and jump down. That will be the code for that. What do we do in here? We just use the up arrow key, or we can use the space button. I would like to use the space button, so I will tell him when the space button is pressed, what will happen. I will use if condition. I can use normal if then. Yeah, and I will use operator equal. We tell him, so the Dino will work until the Dino life is 1. So when the Dino life is 0, it won't work. Yeah, so we will give a condition Dino life equal to 1. If Dino life is equal to 1, then do what? We tell him to glide. for 0.20 seconds. Yeah, he will go up. So let's say, for example, yeah, I would like to stop this one and let me check the position. So how much he need to jump? He need to jump at least this much. Yeah, so to not touch the cactus. So for that one I will change the x and y to this place. Yeah, -36 and -25. Okay, this will be for the going up, and then I will make him wait. After making him wait, I will bring him back down. How many seconds wait? Let's say 0.20 seconds. Yeah, after 0.20 seconds I will use the gliding again, and I will bring him back to normal position. Okay, so the normal position is this area. Okay, let me change this one also, due to we are using that place, so we will use that one. Okay, there you go. This one for the jump up and for the jump down. Let's see if it's working or not. I would like to click on the green flag. There you go. Yeah, but when it's coming down, it's coming so slow. Why? Due to I didn't change this one. Yeah, I will make this one also 0.20 seconds, so it will work the same. There you go. And the jump is working. He can jump and he can save himself. Yeah, there you go. Okay, this looks good. We just need to do some more code for winning and for losing. Yeah, okay, so what else do we do? Actually in here, this one doesn't look like actually he's moving. So for the movement we can do what? In here we will use forever block. Yeah, we can use a forever block. We can give him the animation, wait for 0. How many seconds? 0.2 seconds, let's say, and after 0.2 seconds we tell him to next question. So it will look like more realistic one. Yeah, like he's changing, he's running. Okay, now it looks more good and it looks funny also. Okay, this one for the movement is done. For the movement of our cactus is also done. Only the thing we have is what we can say for our game win and game lost. Yeah, tell him when the green flag is clicked, we can use if condition. In here, in if condition, we give sensation. The sensation we give him touching. Touching what? If the cactus touches the Dino sprite, we do what? We're going to make our variable Dino live to 0. Yeah, so when it's 0, this condition will stop working. So when this condition stop working, the cactus will stop moving. Okay, we just need to make him hide. Okay, this one for that, and then we do a broadcast. The broadcast, we give a message that game over. Yeah, I'll make a message game over. There you go. After game over message is done, what do we do in here? We make or we stop all of the code, the rest of the code. We can use stop all or we can use stop other scripts. Now we come back to our Dino. Yeah, in the Dino, or in here we do one more thing. We receive the message in here first. We make him hide. We tell him when I receive the message, you do what? Hide. Which one message? Game over message. Yeah, in here and Dino also we use show first. When green flag is click show, and when the message is received, hide. Yeah, we can make him hide. Yeah, that's right. Let me make him hide. Okay, but if you remember, in here we used the broadcast score. So for the broadcast score, we receive in here, or we can receive in there also. We tell him when I receive score, we change our variable by 1. Which variable? Score variable. Okay, so each time we save ourselves, each time we receive the message, the variable will be changed by 1. We can give a condition in here also. If the variable is equal to how much, let's say 20 or 15, we win the game. Yeah, okay, when green flag is click, and if then we use operator equal, if variable what, variable score is equal to 15, then what, then we do broadcast when, yeah, the broadcast will be when broadcast. Now whoever will receive the when broadcast, we will do the same process, yeah, we just change this one to when, the same process, they will hide, and this one also will hide, yeah. But only the thing later we can add game, we can add a background, when background and lose background. Okay, let me make this one, or in here we can make win and lose, yeah. Simply we can drag the text. I will change the color to silver color, let's say. Okay, I will type you win. Let me increase the size. Another one we will do for game over. Okay, so our two sprites is available, game over and game or win one, yeah. Okay, this is the last code we do in here. In the we tell him when the green flag is clicked, we switch our backdrop to the first one, and when we receive the message, the backdrop will be changed. Okay, the backdrop will be the costume 2. When receive the game over or when receive the win, the broadcast will be changed. Okay, this one for the game over, and for the win it will be win. Okay, so this was all. Let's try we play our game, yeah, and our win and lose will be clear for us in here. Oops, it was so fast. Oops. Yeah, there you go. I'm getting score. Oops. Yeah, actually the position of the Dino is a bit near to the, yeah, there you go. So our game is ready, and this is how we made the game, and this is how we do the code, yeah. The code is pretty simple. This is how you give the jump up and down. You give condition for winning and for losing, and this is how you give him 1 life, 2 life, and so on other. And this is how for the rest of the conditions, and that's how you do the code for the backgrounds. Okay, this was all about the Dino game. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends.